What's up?
I gotta not missing one arm.
Hey.
You recording this?
Yeah.
Oh man. Yo. There you go.
Hey.
Looking good, man. You know what I had? I had the 1979 anniversary edition, bro.
Oh yeah?
It came with a wound roof. It was a 12/8.
Oh yeah?
But man, I told you I was 17.
Yes.
And I remember I'm 52 now. I used to roll. It was Washington Heights. I was in a party. And I took some girls with me. And yo, when I showed them that machine, bro, it was like, that's your car?
What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate, and welcome back to Epic Whipz, man. And today, we got a package.
It's carbon fiber front fenders. Now, I'm gonna open it up just to see if everything's copacetic. Make sure there's no scratches and stuff like that. It's literally just arrived. So, I already got the car jacked up, as you can see. What I'm gonna be doing to make life easier, I was looking at it, and what I noticed is, see this right here? This has to come out. This is all the front fender right here. And I noticed this right here. So I'm gonna make life a lot easier and just take off the front bumper and the headlights. You're gonna have to take out all this underneath here. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, yo, that carbon fiber, baby. Ooh, that joint is looking nice. That's looking nice. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so we got a lot done. Front bumper off, headlights out. Actually got this front fender off. Now, once you take out pretty much this bad boy right here, it's pretty simple. Those little things, you take them out, bada bang, bada boom, and then in the front, let's go to this. So in the front, you got these at the front. You want to take them out. There's one at the side. You got these at the bottom. Those are pretty tough. They're glued up. They're pretty tough. Then inside the door, there's this one that's inside the door. So I'm gonna open up the door some like that. Once you get those pretty much just pops out. But yeah, that's how it's looking right now. So we're gonna test fit. Oh yeah, that one at the top, because I had to take this off. That's a key one right there. So we're gonna test fit it, see how it looks. See if it fits. Crossing my fingers. And go from there, see where the holes line up. And I'll let you know. We test fitted it. And it's not bad. It's not bad. Needs a little correction here and there. The ones at the bottom, I believe I can get those lined up pretty easily. This right here, that's not looking good. So we definitely have to figure out how to get that piece in there. So what I did notice right here, so it's not that flush. See that? It's not flush and it's tight. So there's a little thing back there. We're gonna try to shave it off some, see if that will help it out to push it in a little bit more. It's not lined up correctly. We might have to just shave up a little something there. Right here, it's not lined up correctly. Might have to shave off a little there. Got that in there. So this right here, this is, I don't know about this one. So it's pretty bad. What I'm gonna do is, it's a bolt that this is supposed to line up to. It's not lined up, it's more or less here. So I'm gonna drill a hole there. And this over here, the front, there's no way it's gonna line up correctly to any one of those holes. So what I'm gonna do is figure out which ones are necessary and probably just cut this out. Just cut the unnecessary things out. That's the game plan. And hopefully the headlights fit. I didn't even check that out. So it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. It wasn't just plug and play for sure. So it's just one side. But it's looking, this is looking good though. Love that carbon fiber. Whoop, that boy. Whoop, that boy. Straighten out. Alright. Keep it going. Let's see what we got going. Alright. So, test fitting, and it is going great. It's going good. I got this one of them pretty tied down there. That one's tied down. This one's tied down right here. It's pretty sturdy. I'm not putting one in here because I could open this up and push one in there, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. This is tied down. We're gonna tie this one down. The reason I got this open is because it's the headlight. So on the headlight, this right here, there's no holes there, as you can see. Oh Christ. So what we're gonna do, since this is all not lined up correctly, we're just gonna cut this, honestly. This right here, as you can see, I made this hole bigger because the headlight wasn't gonna fit in there. Cut this off because I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna use this because where it's positioned at, it just doesn't make sense. It's not really gonna catch it. So I've test fitted it. Everything looks like it's working copacetically. So right now I'm just gonna put the headlight in, lock it in, connect it up, and then that should be it. And then put this liner in, see if everything works on that. Everything good on that, then put the wheel on and good to go. The next thing, that'll be an issue up here. This right here to fit the front bumper on. Now that might be, I'm gonna have to look into that. Worst case scenario, I'm just gonna drill a new hole straight up in there, because I don't know if that one will work, but definitely will drill a new hole if need be. But yes, I think I'm making good progress. It's one side, it's only one side, but once I know what to do to one side, just replicate it on the other side, man. You know. So let's get back to it. Okay, we got the front bumper on. Whew. All right, so yeah, not bad. So here's the issue at hand. The screw that goes in here, yeah, we couldn't get a good size to fit, and we don't have the nut, so definitely gonna have to go to Ace to get that correct size and the nut, so I can just, you know, tighten that up. Right now we just use a zip ties. Good old zip tie. You know, what's a project car with not using zip ties, right? So got that on. Now that's that issue, and the other issue. The other issue is down here. As you can see, we use another zip tie because the screw that went in there actually broke, and half of it is still in there. So I said, fuck that. Just gonna leave that the way it is. Zip tie that. Once I get that out, then we can screw that in and it'll be good to go. This, we haven't screwed this in just yet because I have to, how you say, I gotta open it up some. So we're gonna do that once we move the car around, because it's a tight area, man. It's just a bit too tight for me right now. So right now we're gonna finish up right here, underneath here, and put the wheels on, back the car up, see how it looks, because I know it's gonna look fantastic, and go from there and finish it up, wrap it up. Then probably take it right to Ace to get those screws, and yeah, and we should be done. I mean, let's keep going. Let's keep going. We're almost done. We're almost done, mate. Let's go. Check me out, man.